Ocuprime. Your one-stop solution for a better vision. Taking care of your health does not mean just keeping diseases at bay. It also implies that every part of your body is working perfectly. But when we think of a healthy body, a tiny percentage of us also care about our eyes. The negligence towards our eyes is that we believe the fluid in our eyes will take care of our precious organs. But that is not always true. The place we live in, the amount of pollution we are exposed to, the length of screen time we have, everything contributes to the health of our eyes. Reasons for deteriorating eye health? One of the major causes of low vision among individuals is age. As we grow older, our nerves tend to wear off, weakening our nervous reception. In addition, multiple age-related eye problems sometimes become impossible to avoid due to family history. Low water intake. We can never stress enough the importance of drinking enough water. We think water is only required to get rid of the toxic materials in our bodies. But trust us when we say this, water performs many essential functions besides detoxification. Your eyes may become red and puffy if there isn't enough water supply. Consuming 8 to 9 glasses of water daily is necessary for every adult. Getting inadequate sleep. If you do not get proper sleep, it affects not only your mental health but also affects your eyes. The length of time during which your eyes remain closed helps your body to restore the lubrication of your eyes. However, lubrication is not enough if you stay awake for longer hours, hence, itchiness and redness develop quickly. Working in dim light. Although it might feel comfortable to lower the brightness of your screen when working in a dark room, it is not the right decision. Keep away from working in a poorly lit room as much as possible. Keeping the screen's brightness at the optimum level is not enough if the room you are working in is not sufficiently lit. A dim light puts a lot of strain on your eyes, and when you tend to work in that condition for a long time starts affecting the vision. Smoking. When we think of adverse health conditions resulting from smoking, eye problems are not the first thing that comes to mind. But believe this fact or not, if you are a long-term smoker, it can also affect your vision. What is Ocuprime? Ocuprime, as we already mentioned, is a dietary supplement that helps you to restore a healthy vision. It is made up of vitamins and minerals known to improve an individual's overall eyesight. You might think, what is the reason behind the popularity of Ocuprime over other eyesight-improving drugs? The answer is pretty simple. It uses natural methods to improve eyesight without putting the body under stress or exposing it to synthetic substances. How does Ocuprime work? Ocuprime is made up of plant-based extracts. Hence, there are very few long-term side effects that can develop from its consumption. Ocuprime helps in protecting the lens of our eyes from oxidative damage. It is achieved by the different types of antioxidants present in the supplement. Ingredients used in Ocuprime. The ingredients that the manufacturers have used in Ocuprime are unique. Although the product is a blend of 24 components, today we will discuss the most significant ones. Pros and cons of Ocuprime. Knowing about the pros and cons of every product before consuming them is extremely important. So, likewise, we have enlisted all the benefits and drawbacks of this popular product, Ocuprime. The pros. 1. It is made up of all natural ingredients. 1. The formula of Ocuprime comprises 24 elements known to cure eye-related problems. 1. They not only help get rid of eye problems but also aids in maintaining optic health and reducing the chances of developing eye problems. 2. In addition, it helps in enhancing your vision with the help of its unique formula. 2. The dietary supplement consists of all the vitamins, minerals, and nutrients packed in a small capsule to give you your daily dose of nutrition. The cons. 1. This supplement is not recommended for children under the age of 18 years. 2. Some people might develop an allergic reaction after initial consumption due to the presence of multiple plant-based extracts. 3. In addition, it is not medicine and cannot be taken to cure or treat any disease. What is the right dosage of Ocuprime? In a single bottle of Ocuprime, there are 60 capsules. According to the label attached to it, you are supposed to take 2 capsules daily. One should be taken before breakfast and the other before dinner at least half an hour prior. You can take these capsules with water or any beverage of your choice. But the best results are seen for those who consume them with water on an empty stomach. How can I consume Ocuprime? The dosage of Ocuprime is quite simple. You need to take 2 capsules every day. Since the bottle consists of 60 tablets, 1 bottle is enough for a month. You can take the capsules one before breakfast and the other at least half an hour before dinner. You can swallow these with water or some other beverage of your choice. The bottom line. Developing various eye problems is not a new issue. But how you deal with it is something we need to consider. For ages, people have tried different synthetic drugs available on the market. But the problem with these drugs is that although some of them may be effective, most of these have long-term side effects. In some cases, these side effects can even become irreversible. Which supplement is best for improving my vision using natural ingredients? Ocuprime is one of the best solutions in the market to improve your vision naturally. It is because all the ingredients used in Ocuprime are organic and 100% natural. Hence, there is almost no chance of developing any long-term side effects. Apart from that, since the supplement does not use synthetic drugs, an individual's vision is improved without putting the body under stress. For example, some ingredients are responsible for protecting the eyes from the damage of free radicals, while others help in reducing oxidative stress damage.